How to study organic chemistry effectively. Organic chemistry consists of the study of organic molecules, including their formations, reactions, mechanisms of reactions, product formation, and uses. 1. Most of the compounds studied in organic chemistry contain at least one carbon-hydrogen bond. While organic chemistry can be very difficult, you can make it easier with some basic strategies such as knowing the types of reactions and how they occur and using a 3D modeling kit to work out the chemical structures. There are several occupations that require knowledge of organic chemistry, including doctors, forensic scientists, pharmacologists, and chemical engineers. Studying organic chemistry. Actively review your notes and textbook. Reading through your notes is definitely a good place to start, but actively reviewing your notes is even better. Rewrite your notes and summarize the material. Draw concept maps or visual summaries to illustrate how everything works together. When you come across a compound, draw the structure for it. Read through the notes before class every day so that you will know what is coming up. Ask for help. Your professor and teaching assistants will have office hours that are specifically available for students to ask questions and get help with the material. Take advantage of this time and actually go ask for assistance. They are there to help you learn, and this is an opportunity to ask questions you might have been afraid to ask in class. Getting extra help from a one-on-one tutor can also be beneficial if you are really struggling. Number your carbons. When answering questions for homework or on an exam, it is easy to lose track of the number of carbons. The number of carbons in the products should always equal the number of carbons in the reactants. You don't have to number the carbons for proper labeling, just number them so you know how many there are and you can put them in the correct position in the products. Recognize the relationships between properties. Organic chemistry relies heavily on understanding how different molecules relate to each other. While there is rote memorization involved, it is much more important that you understand the concepts behind these basic interactions than simply memorizing what the interactions are. To name a few examples. As the pKa of an acid increases, the stability of the conjugate base increases. As the polarity of a molecule increases, the boiling point increases. When you increase the chain length of a hydrocarbon, the boiling point increases. Use modeling kits. Modeling kits allow you build chemical structures in 3 dimensions. Being able to visualize the structure can help you understand a compound better than just looking at the 2D version written on the board. The modeling kit helps you avoid mistakes when answering questions on exams and homework. Use reaction maps for synthesis problems. Reaction maps allow you to visualize all of the functional groups and the reactions that occur to produce them. You can use the reaction maps to string together reactions to get from one compound to the final compound. Once you have identified the functional groups in the reaction, work the problem backwards from product to reactant using the maps as a guide.